Hey, are you beating me now? Here is the top of the Namsan Tower. Look at the panoramic view here. Isn't it beautiful? From now on, let me introduce 7 best spots for Seoul tourist attractions near the Namsan Tower. Look at this one. This area is Myeongdong, a bustling shopping district famous for its beauty shops, Korean street food, and trendy fashion stores. Popular with both locals and tourists for its vibrant atmosphere and proximity to Namsan. A great place to try tteokbokki, hot dog, and other local snacks. That is the cable car. Cable car refers to the Namsan Cable car connecting Myeongdong to Seoul Tower. Provides scenic views of Seoul skyline, especially romantic at sunset or nighttime. A convenient and fun way to reach the tower and enjoy panoramic cityscape. This house is Cheongwadae, a formal presidential residence and office of South Korea. Located near Gyeongbokgung Palace, surrounded by beautiful mountains, open to the public for tours since 2022, featuring impressive architecture and peaceful gardens. There is the Gyeongbokgung in front of the Cheongwadae. So Gyeongbokgung is the largest and most iconic of the 5 grand palaces of the Joseon dynasty. Built in 1395, it's famous for its historical significance, traditional architecture, and the picturesque Gwanghwamun Gate. Donning on hanbok, Korean traditional clothing, allows free entry, enhancing the cultural experience. Are you able to see several houses with roof tile? Let me explain them. There are front one and back one. First of all, front one is the Jongmyo, which means the Jongmyo Shrine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site dedicated to the memorial services of deceased Joseon kings and queens. Known for its solemn and serene atmosphere, it's one of Korea's most important Confucian shrines, famous for its annual Jongmyo Jere, royal ancestral rites, featuring traditional music and performances. And the back one is the Changdeokgung Palace. Built as a residential palace for queens and royal concubines, offers a mix of traditional beauty and modern additions, like a greenhouse from the Japanese colonial period, especially popular for nighttime visits and cherry blossoms in spring. One must know information about South Korea, and that is South Korea is over 70% of the mountainside area. So are you able to see many mountains in the view? Look at the highest mountain in the middle. That is the Bukhansan Mountain, a national park located just outside Seoul, often called the lungs of Seoul. Ideal for hiking and rock climbing, with trails suited for various skills levels, features ancient fortress, temples, and stunning views of the city.